Hey y'all, it's Tiffany here, and today we are making some yummy queso. Now you guys, if I was confronted between queso and a piece of chocolate cake, it is definitely gonna be this queso. So if you're ready, let's go. As usual, we'll have all of the ingredients listed down below in the description box. First, you're gonna need to take your saucepan and go ahead and heat that up just a little bit. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter, cayenne pepper, chili powder, and go ahead and mix all of those spices in. The butter is gonna melt, and as the butter is melting, you're gonna be heating up those spices, and all of the flavors of the chili and the cayenne pepper will be released as it's heating up. Once our butter is all melted, we're gonna add our cornstarch in. And go ahead and give that a stir. Once you see the cornstarch and the butter starting to bubble, you are now ready to add your milk a little bit at a time. You will know that it is heated up when you start seeing the sauce starting to thicken up and simmer on the sides. Reduce your heat and add your shredded cheese. Give that a nice stir. And just like that, your cheese is done. Taste it for salt and enjoy.